My favorite thing about this class would probably have to be I get to work with my hands a lot. I don't really like to do book work. It's mainly working with your hands and just learning with your hands. That's what I like about it.
It feels worthless, so unwanted, like I lost all my value. I can't find it, not in the least bit. And I'm just scared that I failed you. And sometimes I think that I'm not any good at all.
We're building a house right now. We just did the duct work, and we're putting the heater in and the air conditioner in next week.
You assure me I'm a little more than useless. When I think that I can't do this, you promise me that I'll get through this and do something right for once.
Machine-wise, we use things like the plasma cutter, a Pittsburgh machine, and there's just different kinds of like power tools that we use.
Might have replaced it, too late, but my table is packed full of days that were empty and now gone. And I bet the regret to get me to improve in the long run. Sometimes I think that I'm not any good at all. Sometimes I wonder why I'm even here at all. But then you assure me I'm a little more than useless. And when I think that I can't do this, you promise me that I'll get through this and do something right for once. I'm a little more than useless, and I never knew this was gonna be the day that I would do something right for once.
I thought it'd be a good trade to learn. You can always use it in the future, and they're always needing people to work on like air conditioning systems and heating systems.
Doing just fine without me.
Right now we're working on trying to freeze a gallon bucket of water with R22 coolant.
Of my time is my life and my right to use it like I should, like he would, for the good of everything that I would ever know. I'm a little more than useless, and when I think that I can't do this, you promise me that I'll get through this and do something right for once. I'm a little more than useless, and I never knew this was gonna be the day that I would do something right for once.
My name is Stephen Littleson.
My name is Grant Carey.
My name is Zach.
My name is Michael Fisher.
Hi, my name is Alex Etheridge, and I took this class because I want to go into the sheet metal factory or the heating and air business.